Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove Gmail account from Android phone. So let's get started. So if you want to remove your Gmail account from your Android phone, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. So first what you have to do is just open up your settings. After opening up your settings, head over to your accounts. So if you can't find that option over here, then what you can do is just simply on the search bar, you have to search for accounts. After searching for an account, you will find this option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you will find all the Gmail accounts over here. So now you just have to select one which you want to remove. So for example, I want to remove this from my device. So what I can do is I can simply select it, and after selecting that, just tap on remove account and then tap on remove account. And after doing that, here you can see guys, the account has been successfully removed from my device. So in this way you can also remove the account from your device. So that's it guys, this is how to remove Gmail account from your Android device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.